Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can put currency converter widget like 1 USD to INR or from any country to any country Android widget on your home screen. See here, currently this is 1 USD to Indian rupees, and here also 1 USD to Indian rupees. So this is the nothing mobile and this is the Motorola mobile, so you can be sure that it will work on any Android mobile. First of all, if you have a nothing mobile, the options are really simple. I'm just deleting this and I'll be adding it quickly so that you'll get to know. Press and hold on few seconds to add this currency converter or the currency checking widget on the home screen. Click on this widgets option and just scroll to your left so that here you'll see the explore more options where you get specific nothing specialized widget. So I'm closing this, click on explore more, and here you can get all the customized widgets. So from here in the list you can just see here, when you scroll down you'll see an widget called exchange one from the publisher, this publisher, and tap on this and click on this download option and click on this download again and click on this add widget. So this gets added to your home page. Make sure you have free enough space so that you can convert to euros also here, and you can change this number to 1 euro. Okay, this is Indian rupees, 1 USD. Okay, and this is nothing, right? What if your mobile is not nothing and anything else like Vivo, Realme or Moto or whatever? So for this you can go to Play Store and download an app called exchange rate widget from this publisher and click on install. Okay, once it is installed, press and hold on the home screen for a few seconds, click on the widgets, and under the widgets you will find under right, exchange rate widget. Drag and drop it on the home screen, and this needs some few customization. Just you need to select two country currencies. For this case I want maybe like USD, right? USD in the sense I'll get at the last according to the alphabetical order. So where is this USD? And whatever country currency you want. Okay, so I'll be just going to choose here. Click on this save and that's it. See, it was like mistaken euro. Okay, this is fine. Already there is one widget, that's why it is not showing up here, but see here, this is how you can keep it on the other mobiles. If you like this video as informative, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.